In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a department in Zoho Desk, whether you're just getting started with Zoho Desk or you're organizing your support team a bit more. Setting up departments is an important step. Departments help you separate tickets and workflows by teams or functions like sales, support, or billing, so the right people see the right requests. We'll go through the process from inside Zoho Desk, and I'll explain what each action is doing so you know why it matters, not just where to click. First, make sure you're logged in to your Zoho Desk account with the correct permissions to change settings. To begin, look for the Setup area. This is usually represented by a gear icon, often found in the top right corner of the interface. Go ahead and click Setup. This section is where you configure how Zoho Desk works for your organization, including automation, channels, and of course, departments. Once you're in the Setup area, you'll see a variety of options and categories. What you're looking for is the option called Departments. This is where all of your existing departments are listed and where you can manage or create new ones. Click Departments to open that page. On the Departments page, you'll see a list of any departments that have already been created. There might be a default department if this is a new account. To add a new one, find and click the button labeled Add Department. This opens a form where you'll fill in the details for your new department. The first and most important field here is the department name. Enter a clear descriptive name that makes sense to your team. For example, you might use names like technical support, customer success, sales inquiries, or billing. Think about how tickets will be routed and what your agents and customers will easily understand when they see this name. A good naming convention now will save confusion later as you scale. Next, you have the option to assign agents to this department. Depending on your setup, you may see a list of available agents or users that you can add. Assigning agents here means the tickets that come into this department can be viewed and handled by those people. If you already know which team members should handle these types of requests, go ahead and assign them now by selecting their names. You can always come back later to adjust the list as your team grows or responsibilities change. So don't worry if you're not completely sure yet. At this point, you've given your department a name and, if needed, assigned the agents who will work in it. Before you save, it's a good idea to quickly review what you've entered just to confirm the name is correct and that you've selected the right people. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho Desk will create your new department and add it to the list. From now on, you can start routing tickets to this department, customize its settings further, and refine workflows around it if needed. That's all it takes to create a department in Zoho Desk. Go to Setup, open Departments, click Add Department, name it, assign agents if necessary, and save. Once you've done this a couple of times, it becomes a quick and easy part of organizing your support structure.